Hi mga kamamshis! Hi mga kananay! Welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. For today's video mga kamamshis, another tears update. I honestly can't believe na nasa 10th week na tayo mga kamamshis, and this is already my 5th shots of 50 units. This journey hasn't been perfect. May mga araw na mataas ang energy, may mga araw din na pagod, but I'm grateful for every small progress along the way. For today's vlog, isi-share ko na rin yung video ko from Monday and tuturuan ko kayo ng simple coffee recipe na madalas kong ginagawa. Nothing fancy mga kamamshis, just my go-to coffee that helps me enjoy my mornings while staying on track with my goals. As always, thank you for joining me in this journey. Every week reminds me that progress doesn't have to be fast to be meaningful. One shot, one choice, one day at a time. And most of all, thank you Lord for the strength, discipline, and grace throughout this journey.
Hi mga kamamshis! Hi mga kananay! Good morning! It's Monday and we're starting another school week mga kamamshis. Unang mission natin for today, breakfast at baon prep. Nagprito ako ng 2 sunny side up egg. Gusto ko lang sabihin, super love ko talaga itong lutuan ko dahil non-stick siya. Walang dikit, walang stress at ang dali pang linisin. Habang niluluto ko ang itlog mga kamamshis, init ko na rin ang leftover roasted chicken namin from dinner kagabi. Hindi sayang at perfect pa rin pang baon ni Mira. So today's baon ni Mira ay roasted chicken, kanin, at saka sunny side up egg. Habang inaayos ko ang lunchbox niya, gumawa na rin ako ng iced coffee. Simple lang ang recipe ko mga kamamshis. 2 stick ng Nescafe, 2 cups sugar-free vanilla syrup, at fresh milk. Nothing fancy, pero sapat na para mabuhay ang diwa ko ngayong Monday. Next stop natin mga kamamshis, nilagyan ko na ng ice ang tumbler niya para malamig pa rin ang tubig hanggang recess. Inayos ko na rin ang notebook at pencil case niya bago niya ilagay sa school bag. Dahil Friday lang sila gumagamit ng small bag, today back to big bag muna sila. Simple moments lang ito mga kamamshis, pero isa na namang pagkakataon para magpasalamat kay Lord. Thank you Lord for the food on our table, another school day, and for the strength to serve our families in this little things. Happy Monday mga kamamshis. Yun lang mga kamamshis. Bye! God bless you!